Today, I'm trying to give away over $1,000 for somebody that knows music trivia. Here's how it works. I've got 5 questions and I'm gonna give them $5 for every answer they get correct. If they get all 5 questions right, I'm gonna give them a $100 bill. So let's see how much money we can give away today. Here's somebody walking, let's see if we can give them $100.
We grossly underestimated just how hard it would be to find people willing to play our game. We must have walked up and down this strip 15 times.
What's up, dude? You wanna be in a trivia video for a chance to win $100? Sure you don't wanna be in it? You could have earned $100 by now. I'm trying to find people. You want to be in a trivia video? It's so hard to give away money these days. As we walk down this way, everybody's down that way. And as we walk down that way, everybody was down here. What is going on, Big B? You guys want a chance to earn $100 on a trivia video? Well, I remember one time, Mr. Beast was trying to give away cars and he couldn't even give away cars. People are like, no, thank you.
Who turns that down that kind of offer?
That's what I'm saying. And I'm like, it's car. We're just going to keep doing this. Worst case scenario, me and Big B get pizza and we get our steps in for the day. She's on a phone call. She could have just got $100 if she wasn't on a phone call.
And after tons of searching, we finally found somebody that we could give some money to. They didn't want to play trivia, but it was a start.
If you get all 5 of them, you get a $100 bill. How about this? Do you follow Mr. Baldman on TikTok? Yeah, show me your TikTok, and if you follow Mr. Baldman, I'll give you $100 cash.
I thought that this might be a good way to show people that we are serious.
Yeah, I know. He's an ugly dude. I wouldn't follow him either.
I was trying to think of any excuse possible to give her some money. And when I saw the balloon, it hit me.
That's you.
That's me.
That's you.
That's me.
As excited as she was, she actually wasn't following Mr. Baldman.
Well, how about this? Who's graduating?
A friend of mine.
I am going to give that person $50, okay?
Okay.
Happy graduation.
$50? Are you serious?
$50. Happy graduation. Thanks for being in the video. That's real. 100%. That's 100% real.
Mr. Baldman, can I get a picture?
Absolutely, absolutely. My bodyguard, Big B, can take a picture if you like.
Come on, Mr. Baldman and whoever.
There you go.
Come on, Mr. Baldman, hurry up. Yeah.
There you go.
Mr. Baldman.
I almost had to buy that lady's phone. Did you see me throw it?
Yeah.
That did the trick. We started walking and we started getting contestants. We found Hector, Samantha, and Aaron.
Today we are doing 90s rock. You like 90s rock?
I've lived through it.
Okay. First question, what Nirvana song was named after deodorant?
That's a good one there. I'm trying to think of deodorant.
Think of Nirvana songs, man. That's how you're going to get it.
Yeah, right.
Name any Nirvana song and you probably get it.
I can't even think of one now. Now I'm on the spot.
What Nirvana song was named after deodorant?
Teen Spirit.
Smells like Teen Spirit. What Nirvana song was named after deodorant?
Smells like Teen Spirit.
Boom, $5. You see how easy that was? We need to give away a lot more money than that, though. $5 at a time. This is going to take us all day to give away money. What Semisonic song was written about childbirth? Do you know any songs by Semisonic?
No.
They've got one big song that's about childbirth, and most people think it's about a bar closing. I'll give you that hint. What Semisonic song was written about childbirth?
I know that it was something about you hear the baby cry down the hall, like you hear the mom, and then like the spirit leaves.
I know what song you're thinking about. You're thinking about Lightning Crashes by Live. That is not the song. What Semisonic song was written about childbirth? Changed pace a little bit, didn't it?
Oh, I know. Don't they sing that closing time song?
Boom! $10. That's it. You live the 90s rock, I feel.
Closing time?
Closing time. You just won $5. Woo! We're back on track. We got this. Eddie Vedder was the lead singer of which 90s rock group?
Is it Nirvana?
It is not Nirvana. Eddie Vedder was the lead singer of which 90s rock group?
My husband would know that, but I do not.
Oh, he's gonna be upset when he sees this. Eddie Vedder was the lead singer of which group?
Pearl Jam.
Boom! $15. You might win $100 at this point. 2 more questions between you and $100. What Smashing Pumpkins double album featured the hit songs 1979 and Tonight Tonight?
Oh my gosh.
This is a tough one. They do get harder as we go, but you never know what kind of music you're into.
I'm lost now. I don't know.
What was the name of that album?
He's going to be so disappointed in me.
What Smashing Pumpkins double album featured the hit songs 1979 and Tonight Tonight?
Melancholy and so the Infinite Sadness.
Boom! We are up to $20. We are 1 question away from $100. Aaron just might be the first person to win $100 today. I've been trying to give this away for about an hour and a half now. I'm thinking the questions might be too hard, but it's tough for me to make questions because I do trivia since I was like 3 years old. I've been doing this the whole time. What do you think out there? Are the questions too hard? Let me know in the comments and maybe I'll adjust them so we can give out some more money. Okay, I've got one more for you. It's a little bit tough, but it's all right. And I do have a chance for you to win some bonus money at the end, okay? What 1994 Soundgarden song uses an unusual 7/4 time signature that helped make it feel unsettling and hypnotic? Are you familiar with Soundgarden at all?
A little bit.
Okay.
Man. Can't get anything registered right.
What 1994 Soundgarden song uses an unusual 7/4 time signature that helped make it feel unsettling and hypnotic?
I know it's not Truly Madly Deeply. I know it's not that one. It's the other one that has this line of chicken cherry cola. Oh, what is that song? That's mine and my husband's favorite songs.
Okay, so you're thinking of Savage Garden
Oh.
instead of Soundgarden, but that's all right. What 1994 Soundgarden song uses an unusual 7/4 time signature that helped make it feel unsettling and hypnotic?
Man.
Oh,
Black Hole Sun is the...
it is not Black Hole Sun. It is Spoon Man.
Oh, Spoon Man.
But I've got a chance for you to earn an extra 40 bucks right now. You just won $20. Do you have TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube on your phone? Okay. If you pull out your phone and you're following me on Instagram, I'm going to give you 50 bucks. If you are following Mr. Baldman on any social media, I'm going to give you 10 bucks for every social media you're following him on. Every social media that you're following Mr. Baldman on right now, you're gonna get 10 bucks for it. Not following Mr. Baldman?
No.
Oh no, not following Mr. Baldman just cost you. Let me see, is that me? That's not me. We got an imposter. That's me. He's following now, and he didn't know this, but he's actually gonna earn an extra 20 bucks for following me on the spot. There you go.
Thanks.
40 bucks, my friend.
All right. Oh, thank you.
I knew those were good questions, especially for people that actually know music. So I got a question. Would you have been able to get those questions right? We had a couple people do pretty good, but most people didn't want to play. Let me know how you would do in the comments. And as always, be sure to Fike and Lalo.